Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest tech gadgets. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the CHESONA case with keyboard for the iPad Pro 12.9. If you're in search of the perfect companion for your iPad Pro 12.9, stay tuned because this case with a keyboard is about to revolutionize the way you use your tablet. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the incredible features of this CHESONA case. Firstly, it's designed specifically for the iPad Pro 12.9-inch, compatible with multiple generations, including the 6th, 5th, 4th, and 3rd generations. It even has a dedicated slot for your Apple Pencil, ensuring you're always ready to jot down your brilliant ideas. What sets this case apart is the magnetically removable wireless Bluetooth keyboard. It transforms your iPad into a highly efficient and easy-to-use laptop or a digital notebook, all in a snap. The QWERTY layout includes hotkeys customized for iPads, making tasks like adjusting volume or controlling music a breeze. Plus, the ergonomic design ensures all-day comfort for work and entertainment. Now, let's talk about versatility. This case offers multiple stand angles for comfortable use, with a flip magnet design that provides 3 different viewing angles. Whether you're typing, reading, or gaming, you can find the perfect angle to suit your needs. The case also provides premium protection. It's designed to safeguard your iPad from scratches, bumps, or accidental drops, offering 360-degree full protection. Say goodbye to fingerprints, shocks, scratches, and dust. Plus, precise cutouts grant access to all ports, sensors, speakers, microphones, and cameras. Battery life is always a concern with accessories like this, but not with the CHESONA case. Its built-in rechargeable battery offers an impressive 80 hours of usage on a 2 to 3 hour charge. And if you forget to turn it off, don't worry. It enters sleep mode after 10 minutes of inactivity and automatically reconnects when you press any key. The design is simple and elegant, making it a perfect fit for your iPad. It even has a slot to charge your Apple Pencil while keeping your setup clean and organized. CHESONA truly understands the importance of flexibility in our modern work-life balance. This case and keyboard combo gives you the freedom to work at your own pace, whether you're a student, professional, or simply an iPad enthusiast. In conclusion, the CHESONA case with keyboard is a must-have accessory for your iPad Pro 12.9. With its compatibility, versatility, protection, and impressive battery life, it's a game-changer. If you found this review helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Thanks for tuning in, tech enthusiasts. Until next time, stay tech-savvy and keep exploring the world of gadgets. We'll see you in the next video. Happy typing and computing with your CHESONA keyboard case.